Alright, I created a classroom in Wikispace Classrooms. I named it Mr. Boring Biology. And this is my home page. From the home page here as a teacher, I can create pages, I can create files, I can add files on here, I can create a discussion, introduce projects, and also events that go into the calendar, which I'll talk about here in a little bit. On the home screen, I get a discussion board here. It shows up with a bunch of things that you will be doing, and as the teacher that you created. So I just created my classroom here, so it let me know that I did that. I use the news feed to introduce myself. I can start discussions and manage my classroom. I created one project here. It was about biomes for biology here. You're going to create a page of plant or animals in the tundra biome. Introduce their scientific name, common name, sources of food, and how organisms adapt to weather and terrain. So that's what the students will be doing. From there, I can go to projects. I can go to the biome project here. I created each individual group that will be working on it right here. I just made up a couple names. I'll click on one of them. So this is the page where they'll be working on their project. They just go up here and click edit, and they can add everything that they want in here. They can go over here and add pictures and basically make this like a little blog about the tundra. What's really cool for teachers is that they have a event board here, a nice little calendar that shows everything. Anything that I create will show up over here, like the biome project right here. I set it for 9 a.m. on Monday, and it ends over here on Friday. Let's see, what else can we do? We can do it by week or day. I can make it just a list that occurs in orderly fashion. Then from there, this nice little tab called Engagement here shows everything that's been going on for the past 30 minutes. If I add more people to the classroom, every student added, I'll be able to see this nice little bar here. The green indicates reading. Red dots will show if they saved a page. If they're writing, it comes up with a gray line. And I'll even see if they're just have the page open with no activity going on. If I go back into biomes here, I can see each group again, and I can hide members from the group if I don't want a couple of students showing up for different reasons. I can set the permissions of what they can and can't do. I can show them all the events, or I can choose to show them only a couple of events. I can add more teams easily, and I can also assign teams randomly. And if I need to search by name, I can do it right in this little box here. All in all, this is a pretty good app. I still like Google Classrooms, though, because I think it's a little easier to navigate.